Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. So again, a day where Bank Nifty is lagging behind and Nifty is taking the lead in the market. And I had also said it in my monthly analysis video that we'll see more momentum in Nifty because Nifty is still, I mean, there's more space in Nifty for Nifty to move up till its all-time high, whereas Bank Nifty is near its all-time high. And for the right reasons, we saw Bank Nifty kind of ending the day weekly, whereas Nifty is looking pretty strong over here if you see, right? So again, what can you do for tomorrow? So the simple thing is, see, first of all, Nifty has ended very strongly. So if we open flat tomorrow, right, and cross 18,150, you guys can buy over here, and your first target can easily become 18,200 on the upside. Do not keep big targets over here because what I'm expecting is that. We'll probably touch 18,200, 250, all these levels, and just wait over here for a few days and then again start moving up with a lot of strength, right? If we open with a gap down, wait for a closing below 18,100 because this is kind of the swing low that Nifty made over here. So wait for a closing over here below 18,100. Precisely speaking, 18,095. This was the level which was previously the resistance from where Nifty was taking the resistance, and Nifty broke this level today in the morning, went below it over here, but then again recovered fast and then took support and went up, right? So wait for this level to be broken. Wait for a 15-minute closing. Do not take a trade over here because we are still in a bullish market. If you see, even in the daily charts, if you see, Nifty is looking very bullish over here also, and even in Bank Nifty things are not so bearish as of now, if you see. So yeah, I would recommend that if you are selling in this market, go a little bit light on your position. Do not go very, aggressive with your position, right? So if you take a trade over here, your first target then can easily become this gap filling, which will be till 18,022. 18,020 levels, right? So you can exit at 18,025 levels or something, because it's always good to exit a little bit earlier than the until the gap is filled, or because sometimes what happens is your target is not hit and the market just reverses from there, and you pretty much lose a lot of your profits, right? So yeah, you can take a trade over here. And because now what could happen tomorrow is that we go down till 18,000. Now 18,000 becomes very important, right? So we go down till 18,000 and then we start see fresh buying from there. That's when I'll be again bullish in Nifty. So what you could do is that you first of all take a trade till 18,020, then you wait for 18,000 to get tested. Once 18,000 gets tested and we see bullish price action being made over here, right? We see reversal being made, say a red candle like this, then we see a doji candle over here in the 15-minute chart, and then we see a bullish candle, something like that. You can expect then Nifty to move up very much over here, uh, till like even 18,200 to 18,250 from here, very fast on expiry day, right? So yeah, again, that's how I'm expecting tomorrow to go. If we open with a gap up, again, things are going to be very kind of volatile, right? Something like today, so we also opened with a gap up and things were very volatile. So yeah, you can expect volatility tomorrow if you open with a gap up. And I would recommend to not trade if you open with a gap up, because I mean, is it better to not trade in volatility, right? Bank Nifty again looking weak, as I said, right? Now, what could happen over here? It's an interesting case with Bank Nifty is that if you open with a gap up, right, and just move in this range somewhere over here, what will happen is that buyers will get added over here, right? A lot of buyers will get added in this zone, right? Because they are getting an opportunity to enter the rally, because Bank Nifty hasn't broken 41,834, right? So a lot of people still will have an opportunity to enter the rally that is going to come after we break the all-time high, right? So what will happen is that a lot of buyers will start accumulating over here, right? And then what we could see is afterwards, when we'll again break 41,670 in the coming days, be it on a Thursday or a Friday, we could see a very, very good momentum till at least 41,800 and 42,000 levels on the upside. That's when we will open with a gap up, right? And sustain in just previous days range. On the other hand, if you open flat over here, wait for some sort of price action to be made on the downside, right? Wait for say 41,200 to be broken and then retested. If we retest 41,200 and start moving down again, then you can take a trade over here. Your first target then becomes 41,050 on the downside. If you open with a gap down, again, if you open with a gap down, right, somewhere near 41,100, things could again be volatile because this is 41,800, 850, all these 41,000, all these are support zones. So what I would recommend over here is that once we make price action below 41,000 and start moving down, then you can take a bearish trade over here, because now the thing is that market is now going to take a rest over here. If it does take a rest at these levels, we can see a very, very good momentum in the coming days. I had said it in my monthly analysis video also, and I'm saying it again. If we take some sort of a rest for a week or two over here, just a week or two more, we can see very, very good momentum coming in the upside in the coming days. So yeah, guys, that was it for tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you have a good trading day tomorrow. And if we do consolidate tomorrow, just a thing, if we do consolidate over here tomorrow, we can expect a very trending Thursday, either on the downside or the upside. That depends on how we close tomorrow. So yeah, we'll talk about that in tomorrow's analysis video. So do watch that also. So yeah, guys, that was it. That was it from my side. I'll take a leave over here, and yeah, do have a good trading day tomorrow.